Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to check your Cash App settlement status and you can get paid fast. Now I want you to come to this website, cashappsecuritysettlement.com. This is the case number and this is the exact case name, the District Court of the Northern District of California. So if you are actually eligible for this settlement, okay, you just make sure, and then what you need to just do is come to this website. You see right here it says contact, right? This is the contact number, the phone number of the settlement administrator for this specific settlement case. Okay, you can even mail them right here if you want a paper trail. You can do that. You can even contact them through the website. These are the important deadlines. Just keep in mind. And if you are actually, eligible for the settlement, you just come here. You can click on Contact Settlement Advisor, Administrator as well. You select a reason. You can come here and, choose a topic as well. Any topic you want according to you. And then you give them your email, your first, last name, phone number, select your reason, and leave a message. In this case, just say that you want to check up on your Cash App settlement status. Okay, and just give them your details such as your claim ID, and it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.